The billionaire investor Mark Cuban tells in an interview about what potential new scandal and fraud will rock the crypto industry in 2023. And according to Cuban, it's not a question of whether, but when. The crypto industry in recent months has been scarred by numerous scandals, which raises skepticism and mistrust about crypto among the general public and calls for more regulations. Back in May 2022, cryptocurrency Luna and UST, or Terra USD collapse, were the first of the big dominoes to fall. Both of these tokens crashed after UST lost its peg to the dollar, which was supposed to be a stablecoin, meaning it should have been tied 1-to-1 with the US dollar. But UST was an algorithmic stablecoin, which was backed by not US dollar reserve, but its sister asset, Luna. This collapse proved to be catastrophic for many firms, including 3 Arrow Capital, Celsius Network, and Voyager Digital. All of them were forced to liquidate or filed for bankruptcy. The next big collapse came in the form of FTX's overnight implosion, just a few months later. The crypto exchange and its sister hedge fund Alameda Research fraudulently misused customer funds for their proprietary trading. When other crypto firms are struggling, SBF saved those companies, but as would come clear later, some of those deals were questionable, such as the one with lender BlockFi. Less than 3 months after that, SBF's crypto empire collapsed and went into bankruptcy. As 2023 begins, Mark Cuban sees more scandals coming into the crypto sphere. Mark has always been a vocal proponent of crypto. Just a few days ago, Mark made a remark about buying more Bitcoin, saying, quote, "Gold investors are dumb." Even with such confidence in crypto, he still warns everyone that the new year in the crypto industry will be marked by scandals. In his opinion, Cuban thinks that the new scandal in crypto will appear in the form of the implosion of so-called wash trades on the centralized exchanges. A wash trade is an illegal practice that consists of creating artificial interest around a financial product, a crypto token, or a coin, to make a profit. This is sometimes also known as the pump and dump scheme that is widespread in crypto industry. Mark said the next possible implosion will be the discovery and removal of wash trades on central exchanges. He said, "There are tens of millions of dollars in trades and liquidity of tokens that have very little utilization, if any. And he doesn't see how they can be that liquid." In the pump and dump scheme, basically, a scammer buys and sells the same token, creating artificial trading volume around that token. Then the scammer generates a positive social media impression of that token, implying the token is popular and the next big thing. This in turn generates more interest in the token and drives up the price. The scammer then liquidate their positions at the peak of the demand, leaving regular investors holding bags. Even the largest cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, is not safe from such schemes. According to a study by Forbes magazine in 2022, of 157 centralized exchanges, more than half the volume of exchanges concerning Bitcoin are fake. The study shows that the estimated global daily Bitcoin volume for the industry was 128 billion on June. That is 51% less than the $262 billion one would get by taking the sum of self-reported volume from multiple sources. For example, the Coin Market Cap reports the latest 24-hour volume of Bitcoin at $15.8 billion, CoinGecko reports $17.6 billion, Nomics at $26.14 billion, and Messari at $3.5 billion. These disparate figures show that even the most reputable research firms fail to have the same data on Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency in terms of market value. All these inconsistencies surrounding the crypto industry is what Mark Cuban is pointing out and warning about. Until these issues are addressed in the crypto community, his prediction of the upcoming crypto scandal might just be true.